Okay, so for our second video, we're just going to talk about our vocabulary word, which is nickname. So it says, settlers gave him the nickname Johnny Appleseed. I'm sure we've all heard this before. A lot of you guys have nicknames, or even if you didn't before you met me, I usually make up nicknames for everybody, or I make up like shorter versions of your name. So what a nickname is, and if you have your notebook, you should have the date written, vocabulary, and then our vocab word is nickname. If you don't have this down yet, make sure you pause the video so you can go back and take down this note. A nickname is a name given to a person instead of their real name. So it's usually like a shorter version of a name. Sometimes it's just a completely different version of a name. Like an example of a nickname that's not taken from a real name is like my cat's name is Jonas, but his nickname, I call him Biggie. Even though that has nothing to do with the name Jonas, it's just his little nickname that some people call him, including myself. So nickname, since it's a thing, is a noun. And that is our only vocab word, so it shouldn't take too long to do your Google form today. But remember, your focus question is a two-part question. You should not be answering it with one sentence. It should be a two-sentence answer. The first part should answer, how did Johnny Appleseed help settlers and the land? And then the second part asks, do you think the reasons are strong enough to remember him so many years later? So you should say, Johnny Appleseed helped settlers and the land by, and tell me what. And then your second sentence, as part of your answer, should be a new sentence starting with an uppercase letter. I think these reasons are strong enough, or I think these reasons are not strong enough to remember him so many years later because, and tell me why or why not. All right, so take your time on this. Only two questions, but this is a two-part question, so it's really considered three questions. I'm going to make this question worth 10 points. 5 for the first question, 5 for the second. So take your time, please. Do not rush it. For grammar, proofread for punctuation, proofread for spelling, everything you need to proofread for. Take your time. All right, good luck. Talk to you later.